Introducing a pre-owned 2021 Mercedes-Benz. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 4.0-liter V8 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz is a great value with less than 39,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt, force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.